Hi, I'm Brendan Campbell from the University of Maryland Center for Environmental Science, and today I'm going to show you a quick recipe that's fried oyster sliders. And it's a really simple to make recipe, and it's good for people who want to try oysters but are maybe a little bit worried about what the texture holds or anything. So what you're going to need is we're going to start off by making the mixture, which is a half a cup of flour, and then about a cup of breadcrumbs. That's just gonna help it stick. And then for some spices, because you want to keep it a little bit seasoned, sprinkle in, and depending on how heavy you want it, figure maybe a teaspoon of each. Onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, chili powder, pepper, and salt. Alright, so we're going to mix that up. And then we're going to be ready to bread the Shuck oysters. Okay, so now that you got your mixture set up, you're going to want to dredge the oysters in them. Normally when you're breading something, you would need something like eggs or milk or buttermilk. Since the oysters have their own liquor, you don't really need to do that. They kind of can just take up the breading on their own. Okay, so now that you have your oysters breaded, what you want to do is get a pan going with oil, vegetable oil or canola oil at about 350. And if you don't have a thermometer, what you could do is you could take a little bit of that flour breadcrumb mixture, and if you just sprinkle it in, you should see it kind of bubbles up just a little bit. That's what you're looking for. So you want to take your oysters and then drop them going away from you. And then when they're a golden brown, they're ready to take out. Okay, so now they're looking good, so we can take them out. We can put them on a padded, on a paper towel. And since we're in Maryland, I wanted to show you guys a quick Old Bay aioli, because how couldn't I? So to do this, you're going to start with a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, about a small clove of garlic, diced really finely or pasted, a squeeze of lemon, a little bit of pepper, that was a little bit of pepper, and salt, and about a half a tablespoon of Old Bay. And you're gonna mix that up. Your fried oysters and some of that Old Bay aioli, and top how you wish. If you got to tell your doctor you're eating your vegetables, maybe put a thing of lettuce on there. And that's about it. Fried oyster sliders.